Good morning, students. Today we will read chapter 8, subject verb agreement. Finite verb agrees with its subject in number and persons. Read these sentences carefully. Rakesh is a science and environmental journalist. Rakesh and Sonal are currently working in Namibia. Look at this sentence. In first sentence, the subject is singular, Rakesh, and with singular noun we use is according to the subject. Okay, students. In second sentence, Rakesh and Sonal are plural, so we use are according to the subjects. In singular subject we use singular verb, and in plural subject we use plural verb. It means if the subject is singular we use singular verb, if the subject is plural we use plural verb. This is the subject verb agreement. This is the subject verb agreement. Okay. Now, subject verb agreement with personal pronouns. What are personal pronouns? I, we, you, they, he, she. First of all, the third person singular pronouns he, she, it. The third persons are he, she, it, they. These he, she, it is given here, and they also add he, she, it, third person, and these are singular pronouns. Always take singular verbs in all the tenses. Okay. If the subject is third person, verb always singular. He travels to Jaipur every year to visit his grandparents. She resides in a small cottage in Darjeeling. These are the third person he, she. So the verb will be singular, and this is called subject verb agreement with personal pronouns. Okay. The third person pronoun they. They takes a plural verb in all the tenses. They is plural. They plural, and they takes a plural verb are. They are rehearsing for their stage performance. Subject is plural, so verb will also plural. The second person pronoun you. You is second person pronoun, always takes a plural verb in all the tenses, even if it refers to a single person. It means you is singular, but second pronoun always takes a plural verb. So according to the rules, we write here are with you. Okay. You are an engaging conversationalist. The first person pronoun we always takes a plural verb in all the tenses. The first person we is first person, and we are plural, so we takes a plural form are. The first person singular pronoun I take I is the first person. I and we are first person. We takes plural form and I takes singular form. I am reading Charlotte Bronte's biography by Elizabeth Gaskell. I am reading. I take singular verb. Okay. Now I think you have understood well all the rules of personal pronouns. Now you have to write all the rules in your fair copy. Okay, thank you.